Hello everybody, this is the Mosin brother here, and I'm with his brother Nate, and this is his first time loading and firing a black powder revolver. He's using 20 grains of Pirate XP, and he's 20 grains, probably about 20 grains of cornmeal, yeah, 451 ball, so he's doing a good job there. That's actually my Colt. It's a Pietta 1851 Confederate model. You can get it from Cabela's for $149 to like $99, depending on when you buy it. If you buy it on their sales, you're tapping it down real nice. And it's a good, fun gun to shoot. And I enjoy shooting it. It's a lot of fun, and it doesn't eat much ammo. Very cheap to shoot. All right. How many left? Do you have many left?
What's up?
How many left? One left? Okay. My camera's a little... I hope it doesn't die during this. Alright, that's enough, Dave. It's a brass frame, remember? It's okay. I'd normally put Crisco on the chip loading, but since my camera's about to die, we're gonna skip the Crisco this time. It's not gonna hurt it nothing besides is the I'm gonna shoot it today. So see, there's a cornmeal cheap. You can get it like $1 for $1. So I got 451 rounds. He's using Pirate Navy, which I've got a flash key. That flash key is almost dude. That's nice. Alright. Loaded. 6.
Hey, is it okay if they look pretty inconsistent?
Let's see how consistent you're talking about.
Like that one?
Did you even put powder in that?
Yeah.
Okay. It just won't be as accurate as the others. Alright. Now he's going to take these Remington number 10 pressure caps. Open it up for me, will you?
Oh, sorry.
That's alright. Luckily it's okay, so it's not really have any damage at the moment, but you can always keep the muzzle pointed.
So take the caps and put it on the nipples?
On each nipple, yeah. It takes a little bit of niggling a little. Yeah, it's difficult. You want me to get it for you?
I got it.
Okay. It takes a little bit of manual dexterity.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, my camera's flashing.
Yeah. Alright, Sam. Yep. Watch this. Oh, they were 6. Holy hell.
That sounds like a 50. There's a lot of guns here today that Obama wouldn't like. Hey, you don't put it in there. Just turn it. Turn this to the left. See that little indentation right there?
Yeah.
That's where you put the cap on it. You don't put it where the cap is.
Oh!
Yeah.
I'm doing it the hard way.
Yeah. It's a little easier than that. Alright. Okay. Left. Alright. Remember when you cock it with some, make sure you do it, what's the word I'm looking for? Well, you cock it with authority so that the percussion caps don't jam up the action.
Alright, so,
Alright. Yeah, cock it, load, fire off.
Alright, she's cocked.
Alright, fire.
That's field case ammo, that's what it does.
that steel case ammo.
Notice how the 44 cap and ball has a gentle, beautiful recoil. It's nothing. Oh, do we have a misfire? Oh no, you shot all.
Oh, there.
Alright, good job. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. And this is helpful to teach you how to shoot a cap and ball.